The Sankaran Masterclass. From shadow to light. From 𝗧𝗵𝗲 to synergy. The journey of a homeopath from a student to a master. Dr. Rajan Sankaran, inspired by his father, he started his journey with great dedication, graduated as a gold medalist in the year 1980. A mission to find consistent results in homeopathy, to produce a method which leads to finding the remedy with greater certainty, with higher predictability, and which is easily reproducible. This sparked the zeal for research and to learn from different teachers and gurus, mastering the art of the fundamentals laid down by Master Hanuman. Later integrating the contemporary ideas of miasms, levels of experience, and kingdoms into plant, animal, and mineral, creating a paradigm shift in the understanding and teaching of homeopathy globally, with his latest work on subclass, superclass, and wise, witnessing the inner song experience. His breakthrough ideas also made him a popular teacher worldwide. Dr. Sankaran, with now over 40 years of experience, has taught around the world, written several books, and continues to refine the techniques of homeopathy. Several colleagues who learned with him are now international teachers and thought leaders. All the ideas and concepts he discovered are penned down in the many books he has written. The Sankaran Masterclass. It's a journey, Dr. Sankaran's, and now yours. Those who enroll in this course will also be given access to highly sought after interactive live sessions with Dr. Sankaran, where the participants will be able to raise their queries and questions gathered during their masterclass journey.
I still feel inspired by his discoveries, especially by defining the sensations in the different subclasses in Cronquist's taxonomy. And when I see now, by all these definitions of the different kingdoms, we have these beautiful works about the sensitivity in plants, the structure in minerals, we have the survival issues in the animal kingdom, but with support.
Instead of just learning materia medica by rote, now we had a central concept to encompass the understanding the various symptoms of each remedy. I've learned to identify a remedy that addresses the case on many levels, and also to trust the process of case taking to allow the remedy to reveal itself.
Do you want to be the one who masters the art and practice of homeopathy? Do you want to be one of them who fulfills the physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure as it is termed? This is your opportunity to learn from the Master himself at the convenience of your doorstep, and you can.